Hello everyone, this side Ekta from Ekta's Art World. Today I have some cash envelopes to show you and I have prepared for these for the upcoming festival season. So I thought why not to share those with you, and here we go. This is the first one. It's shade in pastel blue and pastel pink color. Basically this is all about shabby chic. I have created a shabby chic envelopes, cash envelopes, because I like the pastel color so much that I always like to do the pastel colors in my all projects. So I have used two colors in this. The first one is this pastel blue and the second one is this pastel pink. As you can see that it has some texture on it. The script stencil is over it and I have sprinkled some color over on top of that blue pastel color, and it has a belly band so that it can hold the envelope together and it will move like this. So I will talk about this belly band later. Let me talk first on this envelope. So its length is about 7.5 inch and the breadth is around 3 or 3/4 inch. Exactly, I forgot the exact measurement, and it can hold up to 2000 rupees currency or 500 note currency. And here is the sentiment which says congratulations. It's a die cut so that you can write some message or some wishes to the one to whom you are giving it to. So it goes here, and now this is the belly band. Basically I have used my paper doily here, and these are all made from scratch. Guys, trust me, these flowers, beautiful sprinkly rainbow cluster flowers, these all beautiful cluster of flowers are all made by me from scratch. So I have used some die cuts here, and see this beautiful yellow small flower, and on top of that I sprinkle some rainbow glitters over it, and it will go like this, and you can close it in this way. And so this is the first cash envelope. You can give it to you on any wedding or haldi occasion or birthday occasion, anywhere you can give it, and it looks so beautiful. Trust me guys, you have to buy these cash envelopes. And this is the another one, and it looks so amazing. I don't know if my camera is doing justice or not, capturing the right colors or not, but in real it looks so beautiful. So this is the second envelope. The main face is here. I have used this printed cardstock, and beside this I have used here my border punch so that it will look more beautiful. And this is the belly band of this envelope, and it will open like this, and it also has one sentiment which says congratulations, so that you can mention your name or wish to person to whom you are giving. So this is the same cardstock which I used here. On the back side I have used this one. So basically I tried to give some contrasting colors and pastel colors so that it enhances the beauty of this cash envelopes. And this is the belly band of this envelope, and this flower cluster is all made by me from scratch. This paper doily, you can see the shades of this pink color doily over there, and I have used some stones, some glitters on top of the flower. So it will go like this, and it can also hold the 2000 note currency and 500 note currency. These are all of same measurement. So this is the second one. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that this was my first ever envelope which I have made it. So these are all in shabby chic theme, shabby chic pastel theme. So this is my first one, this is another one, and all the flowers are also contrasting to the matching cardstock. See, in this cardstock we have some yellow flowers, some pink flowers, shade of pink, shade of green. So I have put my handmade flowers over it using the same colors. For example, see this beautiful yellow flower which has some green pollen inside it. These pollens are also handmade. And this blue, pink color flower, all the beads, glitters, stones. So yeah, this is the second one. This is my another cash envelope. As you can see that I have given some texture over here. I have given some scoring on top of this pattern paper, and see the texture of pattern paper. It has some checks on it, and I have given some scoring lines on it, and I've splattered some color over it. And this is the belly band of this envelope, and it also has the same sentiment which says congratulations, so that you can mention the name of a person to whom you are giving or wish anything. This is a die cut circle, and also I have given same texture over here also. And this is the yellow pattern paper. See the shining over it. It has a glossy accent. So I have used two colors over here. One is pastel green and another one is the metallic yellow color. And I have giving some vintage edges over here also with the inks, with the permanent inks, as you can see. And this is the belly band of this envelope. See, I have used different kinds of die cuts over here, some leaves die cuts, some beads, and it also has some shaded yellow flowers over here and glittery green color flowers, so that it can match to my cash envelope, as you can see. And it also has some I don't know this dark green color is capturing properly or not in the camera, but it has some textured lines over it. These are all given by me. This flower cluster is also made by me. This doily die cut, leaf die cut, handmade flowers from scratch. See the beautiful pollens over here. So this is the another envelope. Now comes my next envelope, which is last but not the least. This is in the shade of some orangish and reddish, and I have used this printed cardstock over here so that it can contrast to my plain cardstock here. And it also has some textured over here also, as you can see. And I have given some texture also on this belly band as well, as you can see these verticals line. And I have also splattered some color over here also. And this is the belly band of this envelope. It also the flowers also matches the colors of this pattern paper. As you can see, it has some shades of pink, orange, red, and it has some beautiful beads inside it. It also has beautiful green die cuts, the white die cuts. And see I just love these beads. These are copper glitter beads, as you can see. And it has also some beads over here. And this is the pattern paper. And I also have given some texture over here also. See the texture here, this check texture. And this is the pattern paper cardstock. It also has the same congratulations wish die cut, so that you can mention the name of a person, or you want to wish something. So it goes here, and this is the another one. So I hope you like this video and my cash envelopes. And if you want to buy these, or if you want to have a class how to make these beautiful cash envelopes, you can mail me at my account. My Gmail account is ekta.dimpy@gmail.com, which is ekta.dimpy@gmail.com. you can mail me over there. I would surely reply you back. And so I hope you like all my cash envelopes, and if you want to place an order, or you want want a tutorial over it, so please do email me. And if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification button, so that you will be get notified whenever I upload new videos. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. And thank you for tolerating my chapped nails. Thank you. Please ignore this in the whole video. I didn't remove this chapped nail polish, so thank you so much for tolerating this.